जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 2nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Now Arjuna is asking a question to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Oh Krishna, you talked about karma yogam, you talked about jnana yogam, but it got mixed both. That is why that is confusing me more. Can you please tell me whichever that you feel which will help me attain my eternal bliss? Oh Krishna, please tell me very clearly whichever is good that you think, and tell me about only one way." Like this, Arjuna is asking a question, thinking that in the shoes of Arjuna, sitting right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, we are asking the same question to Krishna Paramatma. Now let us repeat Arjuna's words as it is. Vyamishrenaiva vakyena buddhim मोहयसीव मे तदेकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयोऽहम् आप्नुयाम्। ओम। As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep performing all your duties as my service, keep on thinking that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha." Keep on remembering my teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my duties to impress you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava." श्रीमद्भागवतम। नमस्कारं टू श्रीमद्भागवतम। निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टू श्री सुखमहर्षि। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Maharshi is disclosing Bhagavata Puranam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshit Narendra, after he went back to his kingdom, he started regretting about what he has done to that Muni. He is also thinking that such a great Muni, he did not do anything wrong to me. Such a great Brahmagyani, he did not do anything wrong to me. Even then, I have behaved so ugly to him and I have done so bad thing to him. That is why Dhruvam Tato Me, for whatever the wrong thing that I have done to Brahmagyani, definitely there will be a dreadful grief going to attack me. In fact, I invite such kind of punishment to me. Only then, Edhana Kuryam Punarevam, I would not repeat these kind of bad things and I would not do these kind of wrong things to Brahmagyanis. And also that Brahmagyani, not only he is Brahmana, not only he is Bhagavad Bhakta, but such a great Muni. How did I do such big apacharam, bad thing to him? That apacharam, that bad thing, wrong thing, what I have done to him becomes such a big fire and going to definitely burn out entire of my kingdom, my strength and all my wealth and prosperity, everything. I am wishing that happens to me, I invite that to happen to me. Only then, Edhana Kuryam Punarevam, I would not repeat the same thing. I would not do anything wrong to Devatas, Brahmanas and cows. I have to get this kind of punishment now. Like that, Parikshit Narendra started repenting, regretting for all that he has done and also inviting a punishment for that. At that time, he heard that Brahmana's son, that Brahmagyani Mahamuni's son's curse. He heard about that curse. That curse is Takshaka, the serpent, is going to bite and kill him very soon on the 7th day. So Parikshit Narendra heard about the entire curse and felt that Saha Sadhu Mene. He in fact felt that it is a good news to him. Parikshit Narendra felt like that and he started feeling that this curse definitely going to bestow a high level favor to me. I have been drowned in this mundane desires and mundane pleasures. Now this curse definitely takes me out of that mundane pleasures and diverts me towards Paramatma's devotion towards Paramatma, and definitely brings more interest towards Paramatma. Like that, Parikshit Narendra started taking that curse in a very positive way. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Chintayami Harimeva Santatam. Manda Manda Hasitananambujam Nandagopatanayam Paratparam Naradadi Munibrundavanditam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 3rd చాప్టర్ 2nd శ్లోక. వ్యామిశ్రేణైవ వాక్యేన బుద్ధిం మోహయసీవ మే తదేకం వద నిశ్చిత్య ఏన శ్రేయోహం ఆప్నుయాం. వ్యామిశ్రేణైవ వాక్యేన బుద్ధిం మోహయసీవ మే తదేకం వద నిశ్చిత్య ఏన శ్రేయోహమాప్నుయాం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.